Hey there, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see 10 medical words and its meaning. Come, let's go. The words given in this video are accretion, ACE inhibitors, acet, acetabuloplasty, acetabulum, acetate, acetoacetic acid, acetonemia, acetone, acetonuria. Come, let's go and find the meaning of these words. Accretion, growth, the accumulation of deposits, example of salts, to form a calculus in the bladder. In dentistry, the growth of tartar on the teeth. ACE inhibitors, a group of drugs used in the treatment of hypertension. Their name, angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors, explains part of their mode of action, although it is thought that some of their other actions may also be important in reducing blood pressure. Acet, this combining form denoting acid. From the Latin, acetum means vinegar. Acetabuloplasty, an operation performed to improve the depth and shape of the hip socket in correcting congenital dislocation of the hip or in treating osteoarthritis of the hip. Acetabulum, the cup-like socket in the innominate bone in which the head of the femur moves. Acetate, a salt of acetic acid. Acetoacetic acid, a product of fat metabolism. It occurs in excessive amounts in diabetes and starvation, giving rise to acetone bodies in the urine. Acetonemia, the presence of acetone bodies in the blood. Acetone, a colorless inflammable liquid with the characteristic odor. Traces are found in the blood and in normal urine. Acetonuria, the presence of an excess quantity of acetone bodies in the urine, giving it a peculiar sweet smell.